हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा दीपक फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड पेट्रोकेमिकल्स कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। दीपक फर्टिलाइजर्स पेट्रोकेमिकल्स कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड with a target price of rupees 810. The current market price of Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation Limited is rupees 680 with a target price of rupees 810. The current market price of Deepak Fertilizer is rupees 680. Okay. Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation Limited, incorporated in the year 1979, is a small cap company having a market capital of rupees 8,271.47 crore, operating in fertilizer sector. एक फर्टिलाइज़र कंपनी है ये। Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation Limited key product revenue segment include industrial chemicals traded, other services, power generation and other operating revenue for the year ending 31st March 2021. Okay. Okay, financials for the quarter ended 31/12/2021. The company reported a consolidated total income of rupees 1,972.79 crore, up 9.36% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 1,803.93 crore and up 35.47% from last year. Same quarter. Total income of rupees 1,456.23 crore. Company reported net profit after tax of rupees 180.61 crore in latest quarters. Okay. Promoters FII Holdings. Promoters held 47.58% stake in the company as of 31st March 2022, while FIIs own 14.29%, DIIs 1.57%. Okay. सो गाइज, एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। दीपक फर्टिलाइजर्स एंड पेट्रोकेमिकल्स कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड with a target price of rupees 810. The current market price of Deepak Fertilizers is rupees 8680 with a target price of rupees 810. Current market price of Deepak Fertilizers is rupees 680. Okay. Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation share price, stock analysis and Recos. The current market price of Deepak Fertilizers is rupees 674.80 with a target price of rupees 810. Sector: fertilizers, industries, fertilizers. Technical chart. Insights, key metrics, returns. Deepak Fertilizers news and analyze. Deepak Fertilizers stock analyze. Recommendation: strong buy. Target price 810. Financials: quarterly, annual, December 2021. Total income 1,972.79. total income growth plus 9.36, total expenses 1669.51, total expenses growth plus 2.28, EBITDA 303.28, EBITDA growth plus 76.71, profit after tax PAT 179.73, PAT growth plus 97.90, EBITDA margin 15.37, net profit margin 9.11, basic EPS rupees 15.28. Okay, forecast. Technicals, peer comparison, Deepak Fertilizer GNFC, fact GSFC, technical chart, Deepak Fertilizer plus 24.35, GNFC plus 78.18, fact minus 11.33, GSFC plus 34.64, 28 Jan 2022 to 29 April 2022. Okay. Shareholding pattern. Category 31st March 2022, promoters 47.58, pledge 90.56, FIIS 14.29, DIIS 1.57, mutual funds 1.34, others 36.56, mutual fund ownership, Axis small cap direct growth, equity small cap, rating 5 star, amount invested 90.36 crore, 1% annual, 0.00 change, month to month basis. Okay, month to month basis. Then second, ICICI Prudential S&P BSE 500 ETF growth, equity flexi cap, amount invested 0.02 crore, 0.03% annual, plus 32.92 change, month to month basis. Okay, month to month basis. Okay, corporate action. About Deepak Fertilizers, Shailesh Chimanlal Mehta, Chairman and Managing Director. Madhumilam Parshuram Shinde, Non-Executive Industrial Director, Independent Director. Parul Shailesh Mehta, Non-Executive Woman Director, Industry Fertilizers. Okay. Okay, company has BSR and Associates LLP as its auditors as on 31st/3/2022. The company has a total of 12.06 crore shares outstanding. Okay. Okay, so guys, Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation share price, stock analysis and Recos. The current market price of Deepak Fertilizer is rupees 674.80 with a target price of rupees Deepak Fertilizer is rupees 810. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.